Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a prenatal vitamins bottle. Twist cap counterclockwise while pressing down firmly. Start by washing your hands and clearing a flat surface, then remove any foil seal if present. Use a towel for grip if the cap is slippery. If the bottle is childproof, compress the tabs while turning. Once open, reseal tightly and store in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. If the cap won't budge, try gentle tactics first to avoid spills. Use a rubber grip or jar opener to get more torque and protect your hands. Tapping the cap lightly on the counter can dislodge stuck residue. Warming the cap in your palms softens plastic and helps it turn. Take slow, steady turns rather than forcing it, and stop if you feel resistance to prevent breakage. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control and smart mapping, so floors stay tidy without extra effort, freeing up time for self-care. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy smarter cleaning at home. Now let's get back to the video. Childproof caps are important for safety, so always re-engage them after use. Store prenatal vitamins in their original bottle with the label visible to avoid confusion. Keep the bottle up high and out of reach of children and pets. If a bottle seems compromised or missing a seal, return it to the pharmacy or contact the manufacturer. For daily ease, consider a weekly pill organizer stored securely away from children.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.